Donald Trump's attorneys just filed 4 new motions in their battle against the indictments brought forth by Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis. All 4 motions attempt to delay the start of the trial, including asking the judge to consider Trump's claim to presidential immunity since he was serving while the alleged election interference actually took place. Another motion claims Trump can't be tried on these charges because of double jeopardy, meaning you can't be charged for the same crime twice. If a judge allows the request in those 2 filings alone, it could delay the start of this trial until well after the August date Fani Willis wants.
So I want to thank everybody very much, and we think we had a very good day today. The concession of these 2 major points was pretty amazing, and honestly, I'm very glad they did it. I think they did the right thing. Thank you very much.
To authorize the prosecution of a president for his official acts would open a Pandora's box from which this nation may never recover.
But special counsel Jack Smith is claiming Trump's actions were not a part of his official duties as president, but personal in nature, designed to illegally keep him in power, though he lost the election.
We're going to take our country back. We're going to take our country back.
President Biden attacking Trump for refusing to accept the 2020 election results.
And losers are taught to concede when they lose. And he's a loser.
A swift decision is crucial for special counsel Jack Smith, who's eager to get this case to trial before the November election. But Trump's lawyers are hoping the appeals process will delay the trial well past its March 4th start date, including potentially after the election. And the outcome of the appeal carries huge ramifications and will be the first of its kind test of whether a former president can actually be prosecuted for acts committed in the White House.
And I bet we'll actually see another brief from these states say a couple of things. One, they say it will be total chaos if all states are just on their own to interpret the 14th Amendment however they like. And 2, it is very obvious that Congress was supposed to do something in order to give life to the 14th Amendment. And they raise a very good point. If Trump is an insurrectionist, and if anyone can declare that he was, then everything that he did after January 6th is automatically nullified. You've basically got a few options. 1, Democrats can continue to operate like this and kick candidates they don't like off the ballot, and Republicans can just do nothing and sit there and say, wow, I'm really upset about that. Option number 2, Republicans can do the same thing. That's bad too, right? Because now you've got Republicans kicking people off the ballot, Democrats kicking people off the ballot. The only thing that works is for both sides to stop. Well, who's going to tell the Democrats to stop? I guess that's the Supreme Court.
There is a view of the Constitution in Article 14, Section 3, that he should not be able to run for president. But that's not the point. The point now is that, again, different states have different laws. We don't think in California that it applied in our state. Those laws, those are up to the states. They have different laws from state to state. I don't think he should ever have been
Constitution.
president.
She's saying the Constitution is not the point. Didn't she swear an oath to uphold the Constitution? Article 5 says Congress can only pass a law that would do anything near this.
This is a coordinated operation by the Democratic Party using and weaponizing the justice system to eliminate one candidate off the ballot, to eliminate Joe Biden's rivals, because they know Joe Biden is 81, feeble, hopeless, and they know that they have to rig the system, and they're doing it in front of our eyes. They're not even hiding it. And they're using the excuse that Donald Trump is an existential threat to, quote, democracy.
That this could be permanent. We don't want to break the system that our founding fathers built.
Look, I think the only way that happens is if the voters become disillusioned. And I think that it's really up to every American to seize back their power, to go to the ballot box, to insist on voting for the candidate that they want to, and to make their displeasure known, and to also try and get the message across to all those independents and moderates who are very low information. Maybe they watch CNN and MSNBC, and they don't realize what the Democrats are doing is so awful, because the Democrats project. They pretend what they're doing is what Donald Trump is doing.